Hello everyone, welcome to the Sportnext Brief channel. Today is June 20th, 2025, and as always we'll be reviewing the top headlines from global financial markets. All the news I'll be sharing comes from trusted sources such as Reuters, Bloomberg, and the Financial Times, and none of this content should be considered as investment advice. Let's get started. Currency market update. According to Reuters, the US dollar weakened slightly today against the euro and the pound, while remaining on track for its strongest weekly performance in months. This trend is largely driven by increased investor demand for safe haven assets amid ongoing tensions in the Middle East. Reuters also reports that the Canadian dollar slipped against the US dollar following weaker than expected domestic retail sales data. Monthly sales fell by 1.1%. Diverging views from Fed officials. In another report from Reuters, Richmond Fed President Thomas Barkin warned that import tariffs could put renewed upward pressure on inflation, suggesting it would be premature to cut interest rates. On the other hand, Bloomberg reports that some Fed members believe a rate cut in July would be appropriate. Record surge in oil markets. According to the Financial Times, Brent crude oil prices surged nearly 20% in June, marking the strongest monthly performance since 2020. This surge is largely attributed to rising geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Corporate finance developments. As reported by the Financial Times, private equity firm Apollo is set to provide a £4.5 billion financing package for the Hinkley Point C nuclear power plant in the United Kingdom, a sign of growing private investment interest in large infrastructure projects. Meanwhile, Bloomberg reports that Elon Musk's AI company, xAI, has raised the interest rate on its $5 billion debt issuance from 12% to 12.5% due to weaker than expected investor demand. European market outlook. According to Reuters, Bank of America has raised its year-end target for the European Stocks 600 index from 500 points to 530. This revision is driven by recent positive developments in US-China trade talks and the advantage of a weaker euro for European companies. World Bank calls for debt transparency. In another Reuters report, the World Bank urged developing countries to improve debt transparency. Currently, only 25% of low-income countries fully disclose their debt details. Closing. That wraps up our global financial market update for June 20th, 2025. Once again, all information shared today comes from Reuters, Bloomberg, and the Financial Times. As a reminder, this video does not contain any investment advice. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated. See you in the next video. Take care.